Namaskar. Ayurveda is an ancient Indian medical system that emphasizes the importance of maintaining a healthy, balanced diet to promote overall health. So in today's video, we are going to see how should we plan our diet according to Ayurvedic nutrition. Let's first understand the basic principles of Ayurveda. Ayurveda is based on the concept of three doshas, Vata, Pitta and Kapha. These doshas represent different elements and energy in our body, and each person has a unique combination of these three doshas. Understanding your prominent dosha is key to creating a personalized diet that supports your specific needs. I've already discussed about doshas in my previous videos on doshas, but today let's understand how you should eat according to your doshas. First, eating for your doshas. In Ayurveda, food is seen as medicine, and eating according to your doshas can help restore balance and optimize your well-being. Let's explore dietary recommendations for each dosha. So, first we'll take Vata. Vata dominant individual tend to have an airy and restless nature. To balance Vata, focus on warm grounding food such as cooked grains, root vegetables, and nourishing soups. Avoid excessive cold or raw food as they can aggravate Vata. Second is Pitta. Pitta types are known for that fiery and intense nature. To keep Pitta in check, choose cooling foods like fresh fruits, leafy greens, and cucumber. Minimize spicy and oily foods as they can increase Pitta. Third is Kapha. Kapha type of individuals have calm, steady disposition. To balance Kapha, opt for warm and light food such as steamed vegetables, legumes, and spices like ginger and black pepper. Avoid heavy and sweet foods as they can exaggerate Kapha. Second main point, mindful eating practice. Ayurveda also emphasizes the importance of mindful eating practices. These practices include eating in a calm and peaceful environment, free from distraction, chewing your food thoroughly to aid digestion, eating at regular interval, and avoiding excessive snacking. Paying attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. By incorporating these mindful eating practices, you can enhance digestion, absorption of nutrients, and overall satisfaction from your food. Third, Ayurvedic superfoods. In addition to eating according to your doshas and practicing mindful eating, Ayurveda recommends incorporating specific superfood in your diet. That superfoods are nutrient dense and offer various health benefits. Some popular Ayurvedic superfoods include turmeric, ghee, triphala, ashwagandha, and tulsi. These powerful ingredients can support digestion, build up immunity, and overall vitality. Fourth, balancing Agni, digestive fire. Agni, Jaఠragni, or digestive fire plays a crucial role in Ayurvedic nutrition. To maintain a healthy digestive fire, Ayurveda suggests avoiding overeating, consuming freshly prepared meal, and incorporating spices like cumin, coriander, and fennel into your cooking. Additionally, sipping warm water throughout the day can help stoke your digestive fire. Ayurvedic nutrition is not just about physical aspect of our health. It's a holistic approach which considers our unique constitution, the season, and our environment. By following Ayurvedic principles, we can cultivate a deep sense of well-being, improve our immunity and enhance digestion, and promote longevity. Embrace the wisdom of Ayurveda and nourish your body and soul with the power of Ayurvedic nutrition. So with all these little tips, take to a proper nutritious and healthier balanced diet and maintain a healthier lifestyle. Namaskar.